So every once in a while, new planets are getting discovered. So I'm going to be discussing today about an extrasolar planet. Now, some of you may be wondering, well, what is an extrasolar planet? An extrasolar planet, as if you couldn't tell by the name, is a planet, but what makes it extrasolar? Well, this planet that's extrasolar is a planet that's located on one of Jupiter's many moons. Crazy. How many moons does Jupiter have to find a planet that's extrasolar, right? Well, this extrasolar planet is called Kepler 452b. Well, what does Kepler 452b look like? Why is it an extrasolar planet? Well, Kepler 452b is a planet that is most like Earth. Most like Earth? Interesting, right? This planet is 60% larger than Earth. It orbits at a distance similar to Earth's distance from the Sun. Interesting, right? So now that we understand what this planet is, let's discuss on why this discovery is a great deal and what it means for us. So the great deal is, like I said, it's an Earth-like planet. But what's so great about this? It could possess water on it, right? Amazing, it could possess water. We can kind of get an idea like, yeah, this is kind of great. You know, we've heard and we've talked about living on the moon, the progress about living on the moon, but I don't think the moon has water on it. I have never heard of the moon having water, but this planet does. It's amazing. This is a step forward onto moving onto a different planet. So this planet has a rocky composition similar to Earth. So this planet is kind of similar to Earth's terrain. Great, not that different, right? So what does this mean for us? So Kepler, like I said, Kepler 452b is looking like a better planet to live on than the moon, which is great, right? But everything has its pros and cons to it, right? So let's be discussing about those pros and cons about this planet, Kepler 452b. The pro. One of the pros to this planet is that not only does it have the same rocky terrain as Earth, but as well as having liquid substance, like I said, you know, really great, similar terrain to Earth. It has water on it. It's amazing. Let's just move there already, right? Well, what's stopping us? Well, what's stopping us is that since it is a newfound planet, it's still growing. I personally didn't know the planets could still grow. Shocker, planets are growing? Interesting, right? So scientists have detected a greenhouse effect on the planet. It's not sounding very great at the moment, but let's delve into this a bit. So this means that the surface water on the planet will boil away, similar to what happened to Venus. There's the trick to it. So, I mean, Kepler 452b sounds great and everything, but if it's still growing and it has a greenhouse effect on it and the water's gonna go away, I think the moon's a better choice. I like to go live on the moon, right? I think the moon is way better right now than Kepler 452b. But like I said, you know, while new planets are getting discovered every day, the real main question to it is it habitable? We found a great planet right here, but there's a trick. The water was gonna go away. Well, thank you.